back to my channel. Today we're going to do a wig tutorial. I always like to have a little fun with the intro. But what is up, beautiful chickadees? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are sitting on my floor because actually, look at that. I just got a fancy light and I honestly have no idea how to set it up except for this. So that's what we got. So yeah, that's why we're sitting on my floor. I'll figure out how to like set it up and make it be good lighting in a place that isn't my floor soon enough. But anyways, that's even not what this video is about. Today, this video is about her. I love changing my hairstyle. You guys know this. I've had bangs in like half of my last videos. I had pink hair in my last video, and I'm just literally always shaking it up. I think since I was like 12 is when I started experimenting with my hair. But I am also a commitment phobe, which not only explains why I'm single, but it also explains why I have a love for wigs. So today I'm going to show you guys all of my little tips and tricks and basically just do a haul of some cheap wigs that I bought on Amazon, so I can show you guys the true tea behind all of my various looks. So yeah, there you go. You ready to see some wig action? Great. I won't sit on the floor for this whole video. I'm gonna try and move the light, so stay tuned. But anyways, here we go. Wigs. This is actually my hair. I mean, this is extensions. Ugh, I'll explain it all in the video. Okay, here we go. Right, so now I just gotta drag this outside somehow. Yeesh. Being professional is so difficult. What a lovely dining room table you have, Amber. It's so nice. What are you serving us for dinner? Oh, you know, just a couple of weaves. I really let my house be looking like this when people come over. Like, but actually though, I literally let it be like this. So anyways, so I have got a bunch of wigs that I bought. I haven't opened most of them. I have opened 2 of them. And then this one is just a disaster. I'll show this one in a second. And then of course we also have some tiny pumpkins just to be festive. I don't know why I didn't clean this off the table. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna try them on for you, so we'll get started. Wow, I don't even know where to start. Oh, well, first things first, I have to start with a wig cap, so time to baldify myself. Everything's a mess in the background, ignore it. But yeah, so if I take off my headband, you can see these are just my wavy extensions. We love that. I'll show you guys how I do that in some other video. It's really not hard at all because Lord only knows I can't do my hair. But if we take those out, they're just clip-ins. Hello, you can see this is all of my real hair. It's just kind of short and stringy, though honestly kind of an interesting look. So yeah, that's my natural hair, but we're gonna go ahead and put on a wig cap here. So I should do a fair warning. This is literally not a professional wig tutorial, like actually at all, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just a girl who likes to wear wigs for fun when I'm feeling like I just want to have pink hair for the day. So yeah, take everything I say with a grain of salt. I'm just showing you my ideas. Oh, she's stunning. There we go. Wig 1. What should we start with? Well, honestly, I mean, I feel like the pink one you've already seen, so that's kind of boring, but we'll start with it anyway. So you can see this is like a pink wig. It has kind of like pinkish, blondish coloring in here. The inside of it looks like this. Ooh, groovy. You can see it's shiny and it's synthetic hair, which is cool because I think this wig was like $25. Love it. So we're just gonna slip this on our head here. Voila! Ooh, this is me with pink icy hair. Oh my god, honestly, such a look. So this is actually a lace front wig. I actually don't really know how to put them on properly, but you can see, I mean, it doesn't really look like fabulous up there. That's honestly only because I don't know what I'm doing. I should really watch a YouTube tutorial to figure it out, but it's long and shiny and billowy. Looks pretty good, but honestly a good life hack if you don't feel like it. Boom! Throw a hat on. Think pink. Yes, love it. Ooh, okay, so for the next one, we'll try this gray one. Okay, so this one is not a lace front wig. This one just comes like this, so it's already like pre-cut for you, so that's kind of fun. You can see again, he's super silky and shiny, very like grandma-esque, so let's see. This whole bald cap thing is really a look. Okay, if there are any men watching, yes, I am always this sexy. Cool, okay, whatever. Voila! That's fun. Okay, so this one's obviously much shorter. You can see it's definitely also much shinier though, so it kind of looks more synthetic, but also just looks like I have really healthy gray hair, which is a mood. The thing is, the shape of it on my head looks a little weird to me. This one kind of makes me look like an egghead. It makes my forehead look really big. I don't know why. I didn't know I had a big forehead, but I guess you learn something new every day. I would definitely personally wear a hat with this. I would wear a hat with all of my wigs, just because the ones without the lace front really don't look very natural. It probably would again if you put it on properly, but I don't know how to do that. So again, if you're just going to the grocery store, something super cute, fun way to kind of switch up your look entirely. Oh, this is very Insta baddie circa like 2016 when everyone was doing this. Ooh. Kylie Jenner who? It's me. Now this is a very saucy grandma. Cool. So next we're gonna go with one that's maybe a little bit more realistic, a nice platinum blonde here. I just read this, luxury wigs, the hair you worth. I don't know what that means, but that's okay. Blonde time. Okay, so here we go. This one actually is a lace front wig, so that means you can see it has lace right here in the front that you need to trim to match your hairline, so all of it's gonna look way more natural than the other ones. You can see the little hairs peeking through in there. So we're gonna try this on like this real quick. Okay, so this obviously looks crazy because I didn't cut the lace, but you can see it kind of looks like that. So I'm just gonna trim this for a second, BRB. Alrighty, there we go. Barbie has arrived. There is literally no harder combination ever in the universe than platinum blonde over jet black hair. So this actually looks pretty good considering I A, didn't do it right, and B, yeah, my color combo is really hard. But you can see this is a very like icy kind of blonde. It looks a little warmer in this lighting than it actually is. It's kind of more of like a white color. I look kind of like a pineapple, but I really love being blonde. I don't know, I just feel like it really suits my mental energies. I also kind of look like SpongeBob somehow, but anywho. Again, you can see throwing the hat cures everything. Have you guys ever seen someone film a full haul while sitting on their floor? I don't know. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. It's literally never more professional than this. Dun, dun, dun. By the way, I should mention, while none of these are human hair, they are all heat resistant, which means you can actually straighten them and style them up to, I think, 300 degrees or something. So that's cool if you don't like it, like you got a kink in it or something, like here, I can just go ahead and wave that out with a straightener. So, pretty cool. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Ooh, this could be fun. Alrighty, so here we got this kind of Jessica Rabbit-y red wig. This is also a lace front wig, so super cool. Look at that hairline, bitch. She snapped. Okay, and this one is also ombre. So you can see we have the dark roots, which is cool, and then the lighter red all the way down. Wow, love it. Okay, so let's try it on. Under the sea, thingamajigs, I got plenty. Aww, la 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 la, don't be shy. You want to kiss the girl. Okay, enough mermaid references aside, but here we go. You can see this very red, very actually Ariel-esque wig. Here you can see the dark roots are actually pretty easy to blend with my own roots because again, it doesn't matter because I don't know what I'm doing. It's actually very much a look. I love the way this one sits on my head. It makes my head shape look very glamorous, which I know is a silly comment, but it honestly does. It's very red and honestly clearly not my real hair, but that honestly kind of makes it more fun. Just in time for the holiday season. I'll show up to the company Christmas party like, ooh, my hair matches the wine. I've never tried wearing a headband to see if that like blends them better. Let's see. Okay, so apparently you can wear headbands and that kind of blends it. Maybe you can wear headbands and hats to cover your incompetence. Again, honestly, I prefer the hat though, so boom, here we go. Voila. Okay, so this next wig is actually really stupid because it's literally just exactly how my hair looked before I started doing this video. But this one has bangs, so let's see. Okay, so this is the worst one. I look like a decrepit Elvis Presley. Okay, so you obviously have to style the bangs way better than this. I am into the particular wavy hairstyle because we literally just saw me wearing it earlier, but maybe without the bangs. There, that's better. But like I said, that's literally what I just looked like, so no need to really get a wig for that. Granted, if you're too lazy to wave your actual hair and your extensions, go ahead and throw on this wig and throw on a hat, and boom, honestly. Oh, I left the tag on this. They're much better. Anywho, yeah, it's a cute 2-second hairstyle for a quick run to CVS or your boyfriend's house. It's gonna be a little weird when he pulls off your hat and your whole wig falls off, but you know, men don't know the difference. They stupid. Alrighty, let's try this one. Kylie Jenner powers activated extreme. This is weird. I mean, this whole video is weird, but whoa! Okay, anyways, let's put it on. Alrighty, so this one is actually also not a lace front. This one just comes as is like this. But you can see he's a short little blue, ooh, looks like that Muppet thing from the Muppets. Okay, anyways, so let's slide her on. Okay, honestly? Wow, who knew that asking for a manager haircut was so fire? Wow, I am Kylie Jenner, also Kris Jenner, also Cookie Monster. So I actually really like this one. I never thought I would really like a bob haircut, but this is actually very, very cute. I'm into the color. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This one doesn't even really need a hat. I mean, it does need a hat. It doesn't need a hat as badly as the other ones. But we're gonna put a hat on it anyway. There we go. Cute. I don't know why I always do a peace sign in pictures. I just do. Loves it, loves it, loves it. Boop. Okay, yes, bitch. Let's be a fairy. Okay, so here we have another non-lace front wig here. Boop, da boop, da boop. And this one is a nice lavender color. That was actually my grandma's favorite color, so not to get sentimental and weird in a wig haul, but you know. Love you, Gran. Thinking of ya. So we're just gonna go ahead and slip this on. Slip into something more sexy. Not that there's anything sexier than this, but okay. So I don't think I particularly look that great in the lavender hair. I think this is my least favorite color on me personally so far, but I do love the ombre because it kind of is more natural. As natural as purple hair can look, I guess. And I do really like the styling of this one. You can see I kind of picked all very similar styles because this is just how I like my hair to look anyway, so there you go. Again, if we throw on a nice hat here, we look very baseball wives mommy except insta-ho. That's gonna be me, y'all know. It's very shiny, very soft. This one's also heat resistant, so it's really nice. Is this an ASMR video if I talk like this and touch my hair? Wiggy. Y'all wigged out yet? Okay. If you are still watching this video, thank you for watching. I love you. Wow. I'm sorry. I hope this is at least entertaining. So, yeah. That's purple. Okay, so on this episode of What on Earth Was Amber Thinking When She Was Shopping Online, I don't know why I thought it'd be fun to buy a brown wig that literally is exactly like my natural hair, but let's try it on anyway. So again, this one is not a lace front. Literally looks like I just pulled out all of my hair and put it on my hand, so that's that. Anyways, let's see. Wow, I take back everything I said. I literally love it. This is literally such a princessy hairstyle. You can see it's just curled perfectly. Oh my god, I feel like Rapunzel. And the top's a little funky. It doesn't have to be funky because if you know what you're doing, it won't look funky. But yeah, I need to watch some tutorials, like I said, ASAP, because I'm gonna keep this. If I cut off the hairline, it looks perfect. This is how I'm gonna film all my videos from now on, so you can't see my zits and you can't see my weird hairline. Bouncy, flouncy, bouncy, trouncy, fun, 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 fun. The wonderful thing about wigs is you can have way more than one. Ding. Disney, call me. Oh my goodness, Henry, you look beautiful. Like a true unicorn. So yeah, next we're gonna try this unicorny style. Okay, so we have the door in the frame, but yes, so you can see this one, also not a lace front. I think this one was actually like one of the cheapest ones that I literally got. I think this one was maybe $11. I will confirm that before I leave this part in the video, or maybe I'll just leave it in and voice it over or word it over. Who knows? Stay tuned. Depends how lazy I'm feeling. So you can see this one is actually pink and then blue and then green. So it is strawberry, blueberry, celery. I'm sherbet. I really would never think to have green and blue and pink hair all at the same time, but for an indecisive bitch like me, it's perfect. This is very, very My Little Pony-esque. People actually tell me I remind them of My Little Pony all the time, which I don't really know if I should be flattered or scared, but either way, voila. You're welcome, everybody. My Little Pony hair. The more I look at it, the more I like it. Perfect for Halloween. Or like I said, just if you feel crazy one day. Okay, ladies and germs, here we go, the grand finale wig. We have this honey colored one, also not a lace front because it's just not, but it does appear to have side bangs, which is interesting. So very middle school-esque. We'll see what that looks like. I really like the color and it is also really soft. So here we go, last transformation. Okay, so this one does have side bangs, I think. I really don't know what's going on here. It honestly kind of looks like a weird female version of a Trump wig. Dare I get into politics on here? No, of course not, but also let the kids out of the cages and we all deserve free healthcare. Okay, anyways, my fashion channel. Yeah, this wig is a mess. This is the worst one by far. Maybe if I style it differently. Maybe a hat. Oh, would you look at that? The answer to all the world's problems is a hat. Hat for president. Okay, actually, no. This one is just not the wave. I don't like this one. And that, my friends, is the tea. Throw the platinum one back on for the outro because I think this one was my favorite. But anyways, there you have that. That was one of the most fun I've had filming a video in a long time. So I hope you guys really liked it. And if not, honestly, I hope you at least got a good chuckle out of me looking like a sociopath. All the wigs that I tried on are linked below if you guys want to twin with me. They have an amazing return policy too, so if you don't like them, you can just literally ship them right back. Like I said, for a cheapskate like me, we love it. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more absolutely utterly bizarre content that I would say, like I said, is more professional than this, but honestly it's not. So if you want to join the party, please do. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all that other jazz. And I will see you guys next time. I love you so very much. You honestly have no idea. But go rock whatever look suits your favorite fancy, and I will see you soon. Kisses till next time, angels. XO. Now that is nice bedroom decor. Just what my bedroom was missing.